I have all of the intakes and vent tubes and capstans and everything sorted back out again. It would be quite easy to accidentally glue the wrong one in the wrong place. For instance, there's 3 different sizes of these things. Anyway, I'm noticing that as well as this piece right here, there are several other pieces that have to be broken off the sprues yet. I mean cut off the sprues. Yeah, I keep thinking of years ago when I used to just twist them off. Anyway, don't do that anymore. So I better, find these pieces here. Like these pieces that have to be glued down on here. And the L34s. And I guess they have to be painted yet. Yeah, well, at least I'll be able to try out my new double-sided tape that I bought a couple of days ago. Now, as for the bow here, where we repainted the ways for the chain, yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little blotchy, but like I said yesterday, I think that once we start getting a whole bunch of detail, fastened on, and the anchors on and the chains on, nobody's going to notice this. So if we don't tell, nobody's going to know. I think I have all the plastic parts snipped off the sprues now. There was 18 of them. And there's only one photo etch piece, and it's this one right here. It's part B9. And I'm noticing that it's kind of textured on one side. In other words, the side we're looking at here, it's kind of textured. That side has to be out. And if I try to paint that with the brush, I think that what's going to happen is the texture is going to be lost. Whereas if I can maybe paint it along with all the other parts, yeah, I'd probably be better off. So that's the way I'm going to go here. I'm going to very carefully cut this out. Yeah, well, let's try it here. I think I got it. Yeah. My, but some of these pieces are small. Now, I had been hoping that I could, do some painting this afternoon. But I haven't even begun. Well, I guess I've almost begun. But I've got a lot of, flashing and so on to get off of all of these little pieces. And this one right here, I thought this was the one that I dropped on the floor because it looks like all the rest, but obviously it's not. Unless it's sort of a misformed one. Yeah, it's supposed to have a little hole in the end here, like. See if I can get it so you can see it here. Just have a little hole there. Well, I hope there's extras. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. All being well.